Good morning, Isaacwood Middle School students, families, and teachers. Today is our morning meeting for Friday, August the 28th, 2020. This morning, we're going to start off with the Pledge of Allegiance, the Isaacwood Middle School Citizenship Pledge, observe a moment of silence, have news and announcements, and have a mindful moment. At this time, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now recite the Isaacwood Middle School Citizenship Pledge. I'm responsible for all of my actions and behaviors today. I will listen, do my work, and learn. I will respect the feelings, property, and rights of others. I will be a good citizen by doing what is right. Not because I'm being watched by teachers, but because it's the right thing to do for myself and others. We will now pause for a moment of silence. We will have a few news and announcements to close out this week. Don't forget, from here on out, we will have our school-wide morning meeting videos uploaded on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Don't forget, students, our math assessment begins this upcoming week. So don't forget, just like you did this week, log into your PLT session to begin your math assessment next week. Well, Mr. Remini's time has finally winded down with us. His last day is today, Friday, August 28th. You're welcome to drive by Isaacwood Middle School from 10 until 3 to give him well wishes on today. MNPS is to remain virtual through fall break for most students. As MNPS announced earlier this week, Metro Schools will remain virtual for most students until October 12th and will seek in a phased-in approach to returning students to the classroom after fall break if conditions allow. As a reminder to parents, students in grades K through 5 and children of MNPS employees can enroll in a free YMCA program that will provide students with supervision and support for virtual learning beginning after Labor Day. Please see the YMCA website for more information. As a reminder, 5th graders, the Litton Band still needs you. It's not too late to join. To join, email Miss Reed at samantha.davenport@mnps.org. Don't forget, our I3 STEM Club is still running even though we are virtual. Ms. Donaldson and Dr. Westby are our teachers responsible for the I3 STEM Club. To get more information, visit https://tinyurl.com/i3STEM2020. Our NASA Aftercare program is also launching a hybrid model program beginning September 8th at the Martha O'Brien Center. Please see the information on the screen for more information. Parents and students, if you are still needing meals, please don't forget to visit mnps.org/nutrition for all of the meal updates. Don't forget, parents, you can also receive meals here at Isaacwood Middle School every day between 10:30 and 1. Interested in joining the GSA? The GSA will be continuing virtually this year. Join the Schoology group or email Miss Garrett at catherine.garrett@mnps.org if you would like to participate. Don't forget, students and parents, if you have not already signed up for our Remind app, please make sure that you do that as soon as possible. We are pushing out a lot of updates on Remind. Today's mindful moment. Today's focus is still self-management. Triangle breathing. Start at the bottom left of the triangle. Breathe in for 3 counts as you trace the first side of the triangle. Hold your breath for 3 counts as you trace the second side of the triangle. Breathe out for 3 counts as you trace the final side of the triangle. You have just completed 1 deep breath. Remember, Litton students, you are loved. And as a special treat from us to you, don't forget that your teachers, Miss Patton and myself, Miss Rand, miss you and wish that we were here to see you every day, but know that we are not too far away. And remember, remember that you are loved.